Hello and welcome to this Amcrest support video. Today we're going to show you how to install a microSD card into your IP8M-T2499E 4K turret camera. Before you begin, please make sure the camera is unplugged from its power source. For weatherproof reasons, the microSD card slot is located inside the camera body. This requires disassembly of the camera in order to access it. When taking apart the camera, it is important to know that the camera has three outer parts: the base ring, the housing frame, and the camera body. Therefore, it is best to disassemble it on a steady surface, table, or on the floor. To get started, use the included Torx wrench to loosen the holding screw located on the camera casing. Only 3 or 4 turns is needed here, as the screw will come out if loosened all the way. As you remove the base ring, be advised that the camera's 3 parts will become loose, and you will need to exercise caution when handling all the parts so the camera is not dropped. While holding the camera body, remove the housing frame by pulling it away from the camera body. Next, remove the camera body from the base ring and pass the cable all the way through the ring. On the back of the camera are 3 standard screws. Use a standard Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws. Ensure you have removed the screws so they do not fall out when opening or flipping the camera. Then open the camera body. Inside, you'll notice the 2 sides are connected with wires. Place the lens side of the camera face down on a flat, smooth surface, with the back resting on its side, to reduce tension on these wires. On the inside metal chassis, there are 2 black screws securing the camera circuit board to the body. Use a smaller precision Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. Once removed, hold the metal chassis and carefully remove it from the outer body. On the other side of the circuit board, you'll find the microSD card connector with its latch. To open the latch, gently slide the latch back and open along the hinges to reveal the metal contacts underneath on the microSD card tray. We recommend choosing a microSD card with a speed rating of Class 10 or higher and a capacity of up to 64 GB, although some 128 GB cards may work. Please note, when installing the microSD card, take care not to touch or smudge the camera's lens. To install the microSD card, carefully place the card onto the metal contacts. Ensure the edge fin on the microSD card sits directly into the tray, which is precisely keyed to fit the card. You'll see it fits snug into the frame. With one finger on top of the card to hold it down, use another finger to flip the delicate latch over the card. Do not force or push down on the latch. Instead, gently set the latch down first at the hinges, and gently press it flat against the card. Then simply slide it forward to lock the microSD card in place. To reassemble the camera, return the camera chassis back into the body and remember to secure the 2 black screws. Close the camera by aligning the 2 protruding screw openings on the back side with the 2 recessed counterbore holes on the front side. Ensure the heat-conductive pad makes contact with the metal body. Then insert and tighten the screws on the back. Run the cable through the base ring and place the camera body on the ring. Then place the housing frame over the camera body and against the base ring. Be sure to insert the rear inner flap of the housing frame into the groove on the base ring to ensure a proper fit. Finally, with the housing frame and camera body held securely together against the ring, tighten the holding screw 3 or 4 turns with the Torx wrench to secure the camera together. We hope this video has helped you learn how to install a microSD card into your IP8M-T2499E 4K turret camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and check out more instructional videos from Amcrest.